word nose cap.
Yeah,
You let it.
I just filled a friggin' ramrod full of that shit. All right, God, do you believe in God and all that?
Needle.
See how it works. We got our pewter.
You ready?
He whispered something about belief in God and we all showed up.
Cement gas.
Creating years. I think
Gears? This is the higher entertainment part right here.
This is either where it fired up and hit that tank.
Golly, Mr. Wayne, what are you doing now?
No question.
he's making us up as he goes. That's just what I
All right,
Now what?
we're gonna heat this up.
Did you try pouring out of that thing yet?
Nope, this is gonna be my virgin attempt.
Oh, good God.
Give me that mallet.
What do you?
That leather-headed hammer. When I pour, I want you to lightly tap on that barrel. Just give it a try. Oh, stop.
So is it a bore plug now?
Oh, God of beer.
I'm quite impressed. You
You
recommend?
ain't gonna be impressed until it's done, all right?
You always recommend using a pipe cap for that, or?
No, I would have brought my own ladle if I'd have known.
That poured pretty good out of there.
Like, yeah.
Yeah, I was pretty impressed. So far.
This is Woodbury style, man.
Very.
Are you recording for education?
Ta-da! Got a little hole right there.
Oh, wow.
Impressed.
Got a little hole right there. I don't know what we're gonna do with it. But,
And then what do you do? Say, well, that's as good as it gets, or what?
oh,
I'd leave it that way if it was mine.
Mike Brooks is in charge. This is his show, not mine.
What did you use to? Well, how are you gonna load it?
It's a muscle loader. You need muscles.
You don't have a bore anymore. So you just file that off and think, oh, I see it's. Well, how do you do that?
What?
Get back to the barrel
We'll
again.
pop the barrel out and then we'll take a saw and cut that off.
Look at that. It's almost like you tried.
I'm very impressed.
Yeah. Awesome.
I could have been the biggest fool in friendship.
Now,
in 2 minutes.
I've heard people say that you can, with a soldering iron and some more of your material,
I'm sure.
feel something like
Yeah,
that.
I
I've
think
just
so.
heard it. I've never seen it done.
I'm sure.
So seriously on you as far as getting back to the barrel. Oh, okay. So here's a barrel down here.
I put that paper towel in the barrel so it wouldn't go in the hole.
That was pretty clever.
And well, that's because I've
Otherwise,
done
you'd
that.
have filled the whole barrel.
See that hole there?
Oh, that's clever too.
One of my genius tricks was filling a damn ramrod hole full of this stuff. Yeah, you can't solve that one.
Can't drill it back out again either, huh?
Actually, what happened is the stuff shrunk
Cool.
back after it cooled. Fell out. But I thought, all right, brother, let's pull these pins out. I'm gonna have your water sit down and think about that.